It looks just like suya.
Yeah.
Nigerian suya. Yeah. No, come on, me.
Ah.
Chico, see them go. Okay, here.
You're here. Candy.
No, this one is not good. This one is okay.
Yay! Jesus is so big.
Eh?
Candy. This for mom.
Yeah, hold it for me.
This for girls.
It's for mommy now. What do you want? It's not healthy for you. After eating it, you will purge. You're gonna purge. Do you want to purge?
No.
So good, let's go. It's not healthy. You have stomach ache. Don't worry, you will get healthy chocolate, okay?
Healthy chocolate?
Nebi, come here.
Let's get healthy chocolate. Wow, Mommy,
No, not this one.
Mommy, this one we have.
Not this one, not this one. I'm here.
Let's go, Mommy.
Let's wait for Daddy. You want this one? You want this one? What is this? Which one? That is not healthy. Junk food, yes. And this one that you're holding is junk food too. Let's go and check for fish. Come, come. Huh? Yeah, cut to Colin. Oh, the kick.
You obey it. And
Let's
this
go.
is 62.
Huh? Is what?
This is 60.
Yes.
Yay!
Let's go.
This is the same.
Yes, let's go.
Yay!
Okay.
This is the same. Daddy?
Yes, it's the same thing.
Daddy?
Do you want to try it?
See?
Yes, yes, it's
Daddy
good.
said yes.
I like it.
Do you want us to try it? I have not tried it before.
Come on.
Take him to here. Mama, wait. Kaka will test na more now.
Missed the car.
Chicos didn't wait. See. Organic can actually try. What are you trying? Hey, see good food.
Onion. Butter.
Maybe what do you want? On kaki and snow before, right?
Okay, put this one. Cheese.
As a cheese, galas. Million and cheese are golden.
Cheese on it.
Oh. My goodness. I will not open it. We need to pay first. We pay before we open. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. Let's go. Cauliflower.
Lettuce.
This is cabbage.
Cabbage. I love cabbage.
Oh, strawberry.
Eat broccoli. Broccoli. This is my leaf. You grow. What? Broccoli. Broccoli has a plan. No.
Mama, get me plastic.
It's me, Ginger.
Take this and video me. Just wait.
It's me, chocolate bar. Yummy.
Hold it like this. Don't press. What's that? And let's go. Let's go. Yeah, fresh milk. But Nebia, come. Open what? I have to take this one.
Lord, open it.
The chocolate. Yes.
Hi. Hey, it's me.
No, come on, me.
Ah,
This is for me.
please, seal it, seal it, seal it. Hey.
Time to go, guys. We are going. We are done shopping. Come on, this way. You can see my hubby over there with the trolley. It's not just to shop, or packing is another work. Mama, go now. Oh my God. Yeah. Got this thing from the mall, guys.
Yes.
It looks just like suya.
Yeah.
Nigerian suya. Yeah.
Nigeria.
It's so nice.